Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on when and where you are joining us from. My name is Jerod Johnson. I'm a technology evangelist with CData Software, and I want to thank PrestoCon for hosting our session today. In this session, I'm going to talk about CData Software's Presto Connectivity Solutions, providing SQL access to Presto from anywhere. For anyone that isn't familiar, CData Software is a leading provider of data connectivity solutions, in short, allowing any stakeholder in a business, whether that's a developer, a data scientist, or an IT admin, to get easier access to their data. CData's Presto-specific connectivity solutions allow every user to connect, integrate, and automate their Presto data. Connecting using standards-based drivers like JDBC, ODBC, and ADO.NET, using bespoke connectors for different tools like Power BI and Tableau and Python, or using our CData Connect Cloud platform, which is a data connectivity as a service, allowing cloud-to-cloud access from cloud applications to cloud data like that stored in a cloud-based Presto instance. You can integrate your data using CData Sync. So CData Sync is a data replication tool providing automated replication to and from PrestoDB instances. And you can automate your data using CData Arc. So that means including PrestoDB and all of the data sources behind it in your business-to-business communications. Before I jump into a demo, I want to share a quick customer story. This customer needed enhanced analytics. They're one of the largest American banks, and they really wanted actionable insights on their Presto data from lightweight client-side machines. Their solution was the CData Power BI connector for Presto, which provides direct query access to their Presto instance. This avoids importing large data sets into the client machines, and that means that every stakeholder in the business has easier access to their Presto data. So with that, we'll jump right into the demo. So I'm going to demonstrate connecting to PrestoDB in Power BI, and the first step for that is to configure your connection. In this case, we simply put the server address and the port for our PrestoDB instance into the connector, and we can test the connection. So with a successful connection, we're ready to work with our data in Power BI. I've already connected to our data source. I'll show what it looks like to start that process, but then we'll jump in to actually building a visualization from our PrestoDB data. So in the Get Data menu, we simply search for Presto, and we can choose our CData Presto connector. I've already created the connection. So we'll explore the connection in our relationships chart. So within my Presto instance, I've connected to a MySQL database that's acting as our CRM. I pulled in the account and the opportunity tables, both using the DSN that I previously configured. And I've defined this relationship between these two tables, mapping the foreign keys, mapping the ID field from our accounts to the account ID in our opportunities to create that relationship. So with the relationship created, I can actually connect to data and create a chart. So in this case, I'm going to build a heat map that's based on the amount of each opportunity grouped by the billing state. So I'll select the billing state. I'll select the opportunity, the amount from each opportunity, and then I'll stretch this. And you can see that we've got this heat map, but it's not very interesting right now. I believe that it is showing the count of billing state by billing state in the visualization, which is not very useful. So we'll just simply come in and we will change the fill colors, adjusting the formula. And what we want is the sum of the amount, not the count of billing state. So when we click OK, and you can see that our visualization is updated, showing that states like New York and Florida have more opportunities than states like Alaska. And that's everything that you need to know to connect to your PrestoDB data using CData Connectivity Solutions. If you'd like more information, you can visit cdata.com/drivers/presto, and you can download a free trial and get started working with your PrestoDB data in your preferred tools and applications today. Thanks for watching. And feel free to visit our booth for more information.